We are doing a question and answer with Dr. Amaning. So I'm going to ask him some questions. What's your favorite procedure to do?
Full mouth reconstruction, the surgical aspect of it. And also seeing a patient smile at the end is also a very great, rewarding part of it.
What is a random fact about you?
Random things is that I had a boy band, sort of, when I was in high school.
What kind of band was it?
It was the good stuff.
What's the good stuff?
R&B.
Can you give us a little sample?
No.
What makes you stand out from other dentists?
I tend to think of a patient as a whole person. So the oral health is very, very well coincided with the overall health. So when I'm looking at your problem, I'm looking at how it actually changes your life. What does it do to actually make a change in your life? So it's not just problem focused. It's usually a whole person approach at treating a patient. So I believe that makes me stand out because most of the time my patients feel heard and we're able to devise a plan that can actually solve your problem, not just fix the problem.
What's something you've always wanted to do but haven't yet?
Get a racing license.
What was your first job?
I was a stalker at a grocery store.
What grocery store?
Ziegler's, out in Dickinson.
How long have you been a dentist?
13 or 14 years now.
What's your favorite music?
Mostly instrumentals, soundtracks to different movies and shows, and basically things without voices as much. But I also do listen to some Afrobeats as well.
What is some life advice you can give us?
Don't be afraid to go for it. Don't be afraid of failure. You're definitely going to fail at some point. So you might as well get it done when you're early or younger. I mean, get the failures in when you're young. Don't wait till you're very old to fail.
I agree with that. What are some of your favorite things to do outside of work?
Car shows, meaning shows that have too many plots. Working on cars, racing cars, mostly that. Yeah.
Okay. You like cars?
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
I think so. Maybe, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
What food would you choose if you could eat only one food for the rest of your life?
Jollof rice.
Choice. If you could master one talent overnight, what talent would you choose?
The ability to speak multiple languages, basically to be able to learn a language extraordinarily fast. So that will be a talent that I would want.
How many languages do you speak currently?
Fluently 2. I kind of half speak a third one right now. And I'm learning Spanish. Work in progress. Yes.
Yes. Can you say a couple words?
Couple words?
Or a sentence? What? I mean, you're learning right now.
Listen, there'll be a great reveal when I'm actually speaking it by the end of the year. So let's not rush the process here. It's unbaked at this point. So let's make it. When it comes out, it'll be great.
Oh, okay.
It'll be great.
So there's going to be a grand reveal, I guess.
Yes, where we can hold something like this when I'm fully speaking Spanish.
Oh, okay. Perfect. So we're going to do that. We're going to do a video, question and answer in Spanish.
Español, yes.
Do you hear that?
No, lo poquito español. Yeah.
You could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
Superman's power, charged by the sun, faster, stronger, all that stuff. And yet still, you can sort of live your own life. I don't need to be known. I don't want to be known. So.
What 3 words would you use to describe yourself?
Driven, ambitious, and laid back.
So what's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you or
in general?
In general.
I think of one now, actually, and I think about it. I believe I was trying to do some paperwork or something of some sort at an office. May have been a government facility. I'm not sure. It's been a while. It's been a few decades. But the lady was very funny. But the lady was very helpful and got everything done for me, even though I was running just in the nick of time. Got it all done. And in my excitement to show appreciation, I thanked her and also congratulated her for her pregnancy, but she was not pregnant. Let's just say I still remember that now. And like I said, a couple of decades, and I still remember the feeling I had when she responded, "I'm not pregnant." Oh, yeah, that was not good.
That's
That was not
bad.
good, yeah. I learned to just shut my mouth after that. On that.
If The Office
Mhm.
was a character from a movie,
Mhm.
which one would it be and why?
Die Hard. It would be Bruce Willis. Just scrappy and getting it done.
What is the most unusual food you've ever eaten, and would you recommend it?
Fried insects, and no, I wouldn't recommend it. There was just nothing great about it. I just need to check it off the list. That's it. Won't do it.
If you could have any animal as a pet, what would it be, and what would you name it?
I think in life, I'm pretty much done with pets. I've had enough pets in and out of my life. Kids have had pets. So I'm done with pets. But if I had to get one more, it would be German Shepherd,
What would you name it?
Bobby.
If you could invent a new holiday, what would it be? How would we celebrate it?
Switch Day, where everybody is made to take on an opposing view. And you have to live that view for the rest of the day. You have to argue it online. You have to talk to whoever you normally debate about these subjects with, and you will take the stance of the opposing argument. So if you're a Republican, you'll be a Democrat for a day. If you're a Democrat, you'll be a Republican for a day. If you're Christian, you'll be a Muslim or Hindu or whatever you oppose the most for that day. And if you're a doctor, you'll be a patient for the day, and vice versa.
What would be the most ridiculous thing you've seen someone do at work?
At work, whew, that's a lot. I don't know. My staff has been pretty good. Annoying, but good. But,
Not annoying.
but I
I
have
can
seen
see
some
that
ridiculous, yeah. I have seen some ridiculous things from patients sometimes. It's always the story. For me, it's the normal one where I think a lot of people think this is the first time we've heard this, but exactly the same as the person who walked out before you. And it's usually not exactly accurate. Yeah.
If you could have any song stuck in your head, what would it be? Or
Wait, have a song? I'd rather not have a song stuck in
Okay.
my head, but
Okay.
I have had one stuck in my head.
And do you know the song?
Yes, it's called Overdose. It's like a Afrobeat song by Crayon Aristark. Aristar, sorry, not Stark. Star. And it's called Overdose. It's a pretty good song overall. It wasn't my favorite song at first, but I think it got catchy after a while. And then it turned into an earworm.
Okay. Can you give us a little sample?
Nah, much like I retired from my boy band days, so I'm not going back.
I'm gonna put a little clip of what it is.
Sure,
here.
you can do
But
that. Yeah.
you don't want to sing for us today.
Nope.
So you know how to sing?
Ah, damn good voice. What are you talking
Really?
about? No, I don't.
Oh. If you could trade places with anyone for a day, who would it be and why?
Any one person for a day.
Yeah, or a career or someone.
Maybe an astronaut, just to go to space. I don't think I want to make a habit of it, but I'd like to just check it out one time. The extreme G forces of going in a rocket ship, all that. Just experience it for one day. I think that'll be great.
What's the most awkward silence you've ever experienced at work?
At work? I don't actually find silences at work to be awkward. I think sometimes they're necessary. And doesn't matter whether it's a few seconds or a minute or two. If that's how long it takes for the person to process it, that's what it is. I don't find them to be awkward at all, but I have had a lot of silences, which I think there's a third party in the room, whether it's you or Brian. I think you two find it more awkward than I do. And whenever I sit and wait for a patient take in what's being discussed. So I don't actually find silences to be awkward.
I found them to be less awkward now.
Took some time.
I take some time.
Yeah.
Wait for their response, or wait until they respond to respond back.
Absolutely. Because sometimes it takes a person a few minutes, or not minutes, but a few seconds, 20, 30 seconds to really gather their thoughts to be able to have a good, valid response, especially if it's related to news they were not expecting to hear. So if you give them that time, you might actually conjure up what's next instead of just saying something, because then it will disrupt the train of thought.
That's it.
That's it? All right. That was too bad. You seem shorter today.